Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to read smudged text on a screenshot on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video. Let's get started. As you can see, I have a picture like this. It's a screenshot and it has the smudged text on it. In order to see the text that's written here, we're going to have to go out and find a program called Snapseed. If you don't have it, you can go to the Apple Store or Play Market and download that program. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment below. Go ahead and download it. Click once you've downloaded this program on your iPhone or Android. Click on Add Photo. Select a photo. Here you click Tools. Select Tools. Click Tools again. And here you need to increase brightness, add contrast, and so on. You put the first setting plus 100%, contrast put minus 100%, and all the other settings, you try some plus, some minus. It depends on what color you have hidden. Mine is black. See, this is how I do it on the side. This is how I do plus 100%. As you can see, I've already got the full text that we have here. Here we can see username Tech Promotion, name Tech Promotion. We can also see bio, subscribe to my Instagram, links, gender, and so on. So if we pinch the screen, this is how it was before, and this is how it is after. That's how simple it is. Then we save that picture to the gallery, and then we can see what we couldn't see on the screen. Now we have seen. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Thank you all very much for watching. Goodbye.